am from Group 101, and today we're going to talk about chemistry in a society. So first is contributions of chemistry in medicine with Anna Karen. We go with you, Anna Karen.
Chemistry is the how and why part of science. For example, biology can tell us a lot of biological systems, but when we look at the human body in terms of wanting to cure diseases, we need to understand how it works. Chemistry is involved in modeling chemical systems in the body to increase our understanding of how it works. We also have to understand why something might have gone wrong and how to fix it. So chemists have developed useful diagnostic tools used every day in hospitals, such as MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging, and CT scanning. These techniques allow pictures using magnetic waves or X-rays to be taken so doctors can see the organs, bones, and tissue inside a patient. Chemistry also plays a huge role in the development of drugs, for example, antibiotics, antimalarials, or painkillers, analgesics. New research is being done on possible ways chemistry can be used to target cancer cells without killing the healthy cells around the cancer cells. And this is why chemistry is so important in medicine.
Thank you, Karen. So now, we go with the application of chemistry in food with Sophia.
One of the applications of chemistry in food are carbohydrates. These are oxidized in our cells and help us to gain energy to make proteins. Another ones are the lipids. The lipids are all the fats and oils which store energy for our later use. These also protect the organs. Another ones that are really important are amines and amides. These are the compounds that bring nitrogen to our body. This also helps to develop the amino acids. Amino acids are needed for the structuring membranes made of cartilage and to control our hormones.
Thank you, Sophia, for that interesting article about chemistry food. Now, we're gonna go with Marcela with chemistry and global warming.
Chemistry is responsible for almost all the global warming we have in our days. One example can be the one we have in factories, like when we mix chemicals and they release gases that affect our environment. We also have greenhouse gases. There are four: carbon dioxide, methane, the nitrogen oxide, and chlorofluorocarbon.
Thank you, Marcela, for that report. Now, I'm going to talk about chemistry in warfare. In 1915, the German army used some kind of yellowish-green cylinders that they the enemy. Then in 1925, the League of Nations said that it was enough. No chemistry in warfare anymore. No chemistry in warfare. Well, almost nobody did it. So in 1943, a napalm strike was sent to Tokyo. The napalm is kind of a sticky gasoline. It's like a sticky gasoline-like substance that kills a lot of people, believe me. Well, then in the 1940s, there was this chemical agent produced called Agent Orange, but it wasn't used till 1960s. In 1980s, Agents of Doom was developed. A single drop of sarin might be the deadlier B series of venomous agents. Then, in 2001, Iraqis and Iranians sent to the US mailing companies anthrax in envelopes. So when you opened it, you died either instantly or got really, really ill. Well, that was it for me. I was Gustavo Lozano, and this was Chemistry News. Bye.
Now we're going to talk about three solutions we have for global warming. The first one can be to use paper both sides. That way we're going to reduce the use of paper by half. The second one can be reduce the use of cars, by going with a friend or go walking or by bike. The third one has to be to unplug the electric devices when they are not in use.